Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared. And if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this can actually be written as A plus B times A minus B. So in this case, 5,555 would be A, and 4,444 would be B. So now all we have to do is simply plug these values in for A and B. So this means that 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared is equal to 5,555 plus 4,444 times 5,555 minus 4,444. So now 5,555 plus 4,444, that is simply 9,999. So we have this times 5,555 minus 4,444 is 1,111. Now 9,999 is the same thing as 10,000 minus 1. So now we have 10,000 minus 1 times 1,111. And now, using the distributive property, we can distribute the 1,111 to both terms. So now 1,111 times 10,000 is simply 1111 with 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1,111 times 1 is just 1,111. So now we have this problem, a huge number minus 1,111, and we could simply do this on paper. We're not going to waste your time by doing that. The answer to this is simply 11,108,889. So this is our answer.